So the bearing job we've done here.
Bearing removal 101. You put your bearing in a vise until it explodes. You must wear eye protection, because we weren't.
It was close.
Because it explodes.
There's pieces of it all over the place. Basically, we were... the way Tom puts things in vices, he just cranks. And it just exploded. But
I don't lift weights, I tighten the vise.
Yeah, right. So what we did is, look how bad it is. This is a wheel bearing in a dirt bike, and
She was shot.
so we got to get that part off now. So Tom, we're gonna watch Tom here because it's been a complete horror show.
You're gonna hold that?
You can put it in the vise, couldn't you? All right. Well, let's see what you do here. Yeah, looks like. Oh no, you got the inner shaft. This whole process is not recommended.
You got a grinder?
We're gonna grind the bearing off.
Wow, yowza, this whole thing is steamy. I need a bit. That's
Tom, what's going?
Don't touch this damn thing, I'll tell you that. Don't touch that axle, it is still so hot.
This is scary. I'm scared. This whole operation here is scaring me.
This thing's a pile.
No, you're gonna break the bit.
It'll buff out. I didn't do anything. This whole thing's gonna be really hot, so don't touch it. We annihilated this thing. Wheel bearings never want to come out, end up breaking them, grinding, torching, and freaking. Ah! Wow, that bounced. Oh, did you see how much that bounced?
Yeah.
Through here.
This is metal. This is metal work around here.
I'm a machinist.
Wait, so hold on. What's the problem?
This thing isn't straight anymore. Or round. This is not advised. But I have a spare axle.
Hold on, stop. See all the flakes coming out of it?
Yeah, I know that.
There's all that metal, those metal flakes are...
Yeah, no, I'm aware.
Now it's going to be stuck on there.
I'm selling every single dirt bike I've ever owned, and I'm not riding them anymore. Smooth as a baby's button. I'm gonna just hit one down here. This is not what you do. This is how you destroy it. Why aren't you?
Is it?
Oh, right there.
Yeah, see.
I feel ya.
So it's 3:30. There's Tom's bike. We're supposed to be leaving at around 4 o'clock. Adam's here with the trailer. We have to take this tire off my bike in this room because we don't have any room. Adam's taking it off there. We're going to put it on Tom's bike. What's that?
Flat.
Is it flat?
Maybe flat.
Alright, well, let's just fill it up. We'll put some slime in it. Then we got to put it on Tom's bike, who Tom isn't even here. and we're rushing around to get him riding. Is it flat? Tom's just arriving. It's about time to leave, and he's just getting here while we work on his dirt bike. We're showering?
Yeah.
We lost power. I thought we...
Pro tech tip. Mike Maresca's double A bike. You take your old grips, put them on the gas tank stub. Gives you a whole extra 10 horsepower. 10 horsepower. Alright?
If you don't get this mud off here, you leave that on there so that it can't pick up new mud when you race.
Oh. Is
Weight
that why they
savings.
do that?
Weight
That's weight saving.
Weight saving. I'm asking, this is a serious question. Why is there a clean tire on a dirty bike? It's kind of...
Because when I went to the pressure washer, I only pressure washed this tire.
Oh, no! All right, what's going on? What'd you say?
When I went to the store, I only pressure washed every tire.